Home Remedies presents How Cabbage Juice Heals Ulcer in 10 Days. Have you tried fresh cabbage juice for treating ulcers before, or just making it up as a healthy beverage? Did you know that cabbage is a popular natural ulcer remedy? In fact, doctors reportedly used it decades before antibiotics were available to help heal stomach ulcers. By the end of the video, you will be able to prepare the remedy by yourself. Ulcers are sores on the lining of your stomach and small intestine. Most ulcers are located in the small intestine. If you suffer from stomach ulcers, consider adding cabbage juice to your diet. Cabbage juice contains L-glutamine and G-farnate, both of which protect the mucous membrane lining of your stomach. The research. In one study, 13 participants suffering from stomach and upper digestive tract ulcers were given around 1 quart 946 ml of fresh cabbage juice throughout the day. On average, these participants' ulcers healed after 7 to 10 days of treatment. Juice preparation. Ingredients for cabbage juice: 4 cups of chopped green cabbage, 500 ml of water. Preparation for cabbage juice: boil the water for about 30 minutes. Put chopped cabbage in blender and add the water. Blend both cabbage and the water till a few small pieces of cabbage remains only floating around in the juice. Pour mixture in a jar. Seal the jar and allow mixture to stay at room temperature. The ideal temperature is about 72 degrees Fahrenheit, 22.2 degrees Celsius. Allow mixture to stay for 3 days so as to ferment. Use a strainer to separate liquid from solid parts. Store in a refrigerator and ready to use. Repeat this process when your original supply gets low, reserving half cup of your original batch. This half cup should be added to your new batch before the fermentation process. Allow your new batch to stay for 24 hours before straining. By adding cultured juice from a previous batch, you speed up the time it took for your new batch to ferment. Dosage for ulcer treatment. Initially, take 200 ml juice just before meal daily 2 times for 10 days. Then you can switch to once a day. It is suspected that the glycoside in it may be responsible for the healing. The vitamin U in cabbage may also be contributory. I am a full believer in the power of cabbage juice, and this is a proven remedy, guys. Anyone suffering from ulcer should definitely give it a try. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.